How to search for late start classes for spring 2023. The very first step to search for late start classes, go to my.citruscollege.edu. Once you are in the portal, type in class schedule, hit search, and it brings up the icon that says class schedule search. You click on it, takes you to the class schedule, which is the live class schedule. Make sure the query is set for the spring. So make sure that spring is identified and that you change term. Now the query is set for spring of 2023. Now I can search for late start classes. Instead of searching for all classes, every single class offered this spring semester, by part of term, second 8 weeks. If you hit search, all second 8-week classes come in. Or if you want to find a specific subject, click on that specific subject, and then you filter out those specific late start classes. For the sake of this example, I'll search every subject for the second 8 weeks. I hit search. It brings up a list, in this case, of all the classes that are offered late start, which begin April 24th through June the 16th. So pay attention to the date, to the instructor. Also very important, the meeting time and location. If the meeting time has a time listed, you have to be somewhere or be doing something at that time. In this case, the location says it's in LB 207 on Mondays from 6 to 10. So this looks like it is a hybrid class, meaning a little bit on campus and a little bit online. Mondays you're in person, the other half is online. There are classes such as Accounting 112 that have a meeting time, but the location is online. If that's the case, that means you will be on Zoom during the meeting time. Where the difference is here, the location says an actual building. This one is Mondays, evenings in person. And as we scroll down, some are classes are online, strictly on Zoom. Most of them you'll find that they're online. But we have a variety of courses anywhere from A to Z that are offered. As you can see, some of the classes are open. Some of the classes are closed, and you can get yourself on the wait list. If you do need to pick up a late start class, do it as soon as you can. Although they do begin April 24th, you can register now and or get yourself on the wait list now. If you did go below 12 units for this spring semester, you need to pick up classes that begin late start to get back up to 12 units, or you're looking to simply add a late start class. Late start classes begin April the 24th, and they go for 8 weeks through June the 16th. So although they do begin April 24th, you can get on the wait list and or register now. And that is how you search for classes that begin in April, which are called late start classes.